So in the 11.4 exercise, fifth main, seventh one, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta we have to prove. And whenever you will find this type of question, first keep it in your mind, when you will have a cube in numerator and denominator, don't think that we have to apply the cube formula on the identity of the cube on this a cube minus b cube. No, nothing like that. First you see that along with the sine cube or a cos cube, which term we have, so that it will simplify your question. So first we will take the left hand side, because we have to prove that tan theta as the answer. So sin theta I will write it down as it is, minus 2 sin cube theta I will write down as it is, and divided by 2 cos cube theta and minus cos theta that we have. And obviously if you see, something is common in the numerator. What is common in numerator? Yes,
Sin theta.
yes, there we have the sin theta, because here also we have sin theta and here also we have sine. There are three sin thetas, sin theta into sin theta into sin theta. So one sin theta I will take it as a common. So when I will take one sin theta common, what will happen? So sin theta I will take it common, the remaining will be here, nothing is left, so it will be 1, because of already I have taken the sin theta common. And here we have 2 as it is, okay, but here it will not be a cube, it will be square. Why it is a square here? Because we have taken one sin theta from it as a common. And similarly we have in the denominator, same fashion we are going to apply. What is the thing is, here we have cos cube and here we have cos theta. So cos theta is common, and the remaining is 2 cos square theta and the minus 1, because the cos theta I have taken common. So here it will remain not cube, now it will remain square, because one cos theta is outside. So this is our first step. We have to continue with this. Again we have to continue with this and you have to get the answer. So for that purpose there are 2 choices now. See here, the sin theta by cos theta, we will get the final answer, that is tan theta. We will get that final answer as it is. Means that we have to eliminate this, what we have in this circle, what I will call now here. So in this, what we have to eliminate the numerator and denominator, then we can prove it as tan theta, because already what we require for the tan theta, that we already got, that is nothing but sin by cos, and it is not addition or nothing we have, only division we have. So we got already the answer, so we have to cancel this whole thing. So what I will mark now, that is the whole thing I have to cancel, this whole thing I have to cancel. So directly I can't cancel it, simply I can't cancel, so we have to use some rule here. So what I will do is, the sin by cos, that I can write it down as a tan, so I will write down that as a tan theta I will write it down directly. So I have written this sin by cos as a tan, I have written directly tan theta. So we want this on the numerator and denominator only, that is the problem for us. So I will take minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta, I will keep it as it is. I am not making any changes in the numerator. You have to change a denominator or numerator, it is left to you. I will change the denominator. I have kept the 2 as it is, but here I will do the thing. Cos square theta, what I have, actually what cos square theta I have, I will write down in terms of a sin square theta. So how to write down that cos square theta in terms of a sin square theta? Yes, anyone? Which identity you are applying? Sin square theta, I want the in terms of sin square theta, cos square theta. So we will go for the identity number 1. Yes, very good. That is identity number 1, sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here what will happen? I want the cos square theta, so I will keep that cos square theta on the left hand side. I will shift the sin square theta on the right hand side, it will become minus sin square theta. So obviously the cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. That formula we will apply here. Instead of here cos square theta, I will put the bracket if you want. Only this much I am converting. So here I will write it down, cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. And here I will put that minus 1 as it is, how it is there. I will not change anything. 2 I have written as it is, minus 1 I have written as it is, 2 and minus 1 I have written as it is. Only the cos square theta I have changed to sin square theta. Let us continue the same fashion next. The tan theta we got it already. So we will write it on this 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and divided by, we have 2, we have to multiply with the both. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 sine square theta, and here you have minus 1. Because it's minus 1, I have kept it as it is. We can't multiply the 2 with the minus 1 because already it is outside the bracket. The next part is nothing but, I will write down tan theta as it is, and we have 1 minus sine 2 sine square theta, and whole divided by, now the calculation part how to write. So 2 minus 1, both are constant number. 2 minus 1 is how much? Anything else?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
2 minus 1. See, the question is 2 minus 1. Greatest symbol is minus or plus? I'm not saying plus, so it is plus 1, not minus, plus 1. 2, in that 2 I am minusing 1, so 1. Here we have minus 2, that minus 2 sine square theta. I can't minus that 2 from here because it is combined with the sine square theta, that I can't take it out. I can't minus 2 with the 1. I only minusing the constant value 2 and the negative value of 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So now you can see the numerator and denominator. So both we can cancel because 1 minus sine square theta, sorry 2 sine square theta, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. What cancel? The remaining is the answer. The left hand side is nothing but tan theta into 1. Tan theta into 1 is tan theta itself. The answer will become tan theta into 1, because 1 by 1 is 1, but tan theta into 1 is tan theta only. This is our left hand side, and this is also our right hand side. What we have to prove, that is the proof. Just you see on the top, tan theta only we have to prove, and we have proved successfully tan theta itself.